Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple is once again pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do with the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra. IFTA, after the success of the Ultra and Ultra 2, this next generation rugged wearable is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2025. From a bigger and brighter display, to satellite messaging, 5G connectivity, advanced health features, and the powerful new S11 chip, the Ultra 3 promises to be more than just a... It's your ultimate companion for adventure, fitness, and everyday life. In this video article, we'll break down the latest leaks, rumors, top 10 features, expected specs, release date, and price, so you'll know exactly what to expect before launch. 1. Introduction after a 2-year hiatus since the Ultra 2. Apple is gearing up to release the Ultra 3, the latest in its rugged premium smartwatch lineup. Expectations are high for noticeable enhancements in display, connectivity, health, tracking, and performance, even if the overall design feels evolutionary rather than revolutionary. 2. Launch date. Anticipated during Apple's September 2025 event, likely alongside the iPhone 17 and Series 11. Price. Expected to remain around US $799. 799 euros. 1,399 Australian dollars, in line with prior Ultra models. 3. Chip and performance powered by the new S11 chip. Based on the T8310 microarchitecture used in Series X, with a 4-core neural engine, improved ultra-wideband, and likely 64GB storage, performance gains are incremental, focusing on efficiency over massive speed boosts. 4. Display and design. Enhancements: larger screen, a slightly bigger 1.98 OLED display, boasting 420 to 514 pixels versus Ultra 2's 410-502, achieved via slimmer bezels on the same 49mm chassis. LTPO3 OLED, brighter, more energy efficient, and offers higher refresh rates and improved off-angle visibility. Sleek profile, rumored to be 10-15% thinner, offering better ergonomics while retaining the rugged titanium build. 5. Connectivity upgrade. Satellite messaging enables emergency messaging or calls in areas without cellular or Wi-Fi. 5G RedCap modem, transitioning from LTE to low-power 5G for faster, more reliable data, even on the wrist. This would enhance GPS, streaming, and overall independence from the iPhone. 6. Health and safety features. Blood pressure trends, monitors, hypertension warnings, not exact measurements for proactive health tracking, workout buddy, AI tools, rumored AI-powered fitness guidance. Future wish list. Though unconfirmed, health and safety fans hope for features like sleep and energy scoring, and loss of pulse detection. 7. Build and battery design continuity. Maintains toughness, titanium frame, sapphire front, big action button, yet with some refined touches, like a signal optimized metal rear and faster charging coil. Charging and battery. Improved charging speeds 0 to 80% in approximately 30 minutes, while overall battery life likely remains similar, approximately 36 hours. Top 10 rumored features. 1. Larger EDITO3. OLED display, 422 x 514, better readability. More screen, same size to thinner profile, 10 to 15% enhanced comfort. Sleeker feel. 3S11 SIP, with neural engine, smooth performance, and AI support for satellite messaging emergency. Communication anywhere. 5G RedCap connectivity, faster streaming. Messaging. Independent. 6. Blood pressure trend detection, health safety for potential hypertension. 7. Rugged titanium, build durable for active and outdoor users. 8. Faster charging, more convenience on the go. 9. AI-powered workout buddy, smarter fitness routines. 10. Enhanced charging antenna design, practical improvements under the hood. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 seems to be a polished evolution, not a revolution. It's primed to launch in September 2025 at around US $799, featuring a larger, brighter display, improved connectivity, satellite plus 5G. Advanced health tracking, and better charging, all housed within a slimmer, durable build. Ideal for adventurers, athletes, and health-conscious users who value functionality and rugged dependability. So, The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be a sleek evolution rather than a full-blown redesign with meaningful upgrades like a thinner titanium build, improved display, satellite messaging, and AI-powered health and fitness tools. If Apple delivers on these leaks, this could easily become the most complete smartwatch of the year. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you upgrade, or will you wait for a bigger redesign in the Ultra 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive tech content. Till next time, thanks for watching, reading, and I'll see you in the next one.